this video I will tell you how to download OBS software. First check your bit 32 or 64. My laptop 64 bit. So type here this OBS download 64 bit and go to official website. This is official website download OBS. So this is the interface, and my PC Windows. If choose your according to PC operating system. So Windows PC for this download section. So already my download and complete downloaded. So click here installation process. Yes, then next, then yes, and C program installed and installation. Few wait second. You can see download process is complete, installation process complete and finish. You can see this is icon here, desktop on, and this minimize page. Your OBS software you can use easily. If you are how to use, so next part comment you.